Let's take a look at an overview of the crew scheduling feature in ServiceTitan. Crew scheduling helps commercial and construction businesses manage their workforce on a weekly scale. This feature is now in early access and requires account configuration to use. If you're interested in joining the early access, please reach out to your customer success manager. With crew scheduling, you can reduce double booking and conflicts with real-time availability tracking. You can enable dispatchers to efficiently assign the right crews to the right job appointments, minimizing idle time. And you can assign crew leads to ensure accountability and streamline communication. Let's take a look at how to use the crew scheduling feature. Go to the navigation bar and click Dispatch. From the Daily drop-down, click Crews. Now you're on the crew scheduling board. At the top of the crew scheduling board, click the date range and select the starting day for the 7-day period you want to view. Then click Apply. Click back to view the previous 7-day period. Click forward to view the next 7-day period. Click Today to jump to today's date. Click Share Feedback to send future feedback to our team. Click Dispatch Preferences to switch between a large and medium panel layout, depending on what best fits your screen. Click Create Crew to add a new crew to the board. To add more crew members later, click the crew name, then Add Crew Member. To rename a crew, click Rename Crew. To delete a crew, click Delete Crew. To promote a technician to crew lead, locate the crew they belong to, click the name of the technician, then click Promote to Crew Lead. To remove the technician, click Remove from this crew. To change a crew member to floating, click Unlink from this crew. To make a floating member permanent, click their name and select Link to this crew. Collapse or expand each crew to adjust your view. Use the top row to see how many crew members are assigned versus needed for each job. Click an appointment in the top row to change the number of crew members needed for it. Click the job bubble to see job details or edit job assignments. If more technicians are needed, you'll see a warning. You've learned how to use the crew scheduling board to create crews, assign leads, and manage your team's schedule more efficiently.